Hey folks, John here at Lucky Loon Outdoors, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Vanasche Motorsports shift lever for the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. Now this one happens to be a 2024 model. As far as I understand as of right now, this is compatible with all models and all years. So, this thing looks pretty beautiful. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a closer look here at our new shift lever. It's all built aluminum, anodized blue here. Nice little extension on there. Nicely spring-loaded. Definitely a lot more stout than the factory one. And we can take a closer look at that. You can see how much longer it is, so you get more contact patch for your foot. And it's checkered aluminum, giving you some bite on your foot there. So it'll be a little bit easier to shift up and down, especially when you have the quick shifter, which requires a little bit more force. Okay, here's our tools that we need. Obviously a ratchet, the T45, that's going to be to take this bolt off here. It's holding the lever on. A T30 to get that bolt out, and a 13 mil wrench to hold the nut that's on the back side of this guy here. Lastly, but not least, a torque wrench to get our torque spec proper. All right, here's our first step. Want to make sure we get some blue Loctite on this nut now that we've broken it loose. All right, our torque spec is 25 Newton meters or 18.43 pound-feet of torque. So we're just gonna cinch that down with our torque wrench. Get in there. You know you want to go home. Now this lever has the option of the stock or low position. So depending on your boots, your pegs, if you got the lowered pegs, and just personal preference. Top position is stock, lower position there is low position. As you can tell, if I put the bolt here, it's going to be higher. If I put it there, it's going to make the lever be lower. So pick which one you want and throw her in there. Make sure to put your blue Loctite on this nut. So that wraps up our install of the Vanasche Motorsports shift lever for the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. If you have any questions, of course, shoot them down in the comments there for me. I read all the comments and I respond to those that I can. And also, I have something else for you. I have a discount code from Andrew over at Vanasche Motorsports. I do not get any kickbacks on this, but I was able to get it for you. So, if you use the code LuckyLoon at checkout and you're buying over $100 worth of stuff for your Norden, you'll get 10% off. So again, I don't get any kickbacks from this, but I was able to secure the code for you, so just make it happen. And of course, as always, have fun, stay safe, and get outdoors.